Tired of being stuck on a Teams issue? Let's unlock the secrets to finding answers fast and get you back to collaborating seamlessly. First, the search bar is your best friend. Type in keywords related to your problem. For example, if you're struggling with notifications, type notification settings or notification sounds. Next, click on the help icon usually located at the bottom left of your screen. Then, select topics to browse through categorized guides. If the in-app help doesn't cut it, head to the official Microsoft support website. It's packed with detailed articles and troubleshooting steps. Still stuck? Jump into the Microsoft Teams community forums. Here, you can ask questions and get advice from experienced users and Microsoft experts. Teams also has built-in AI-powered chatbots. Ask it questions directly in a chat, and it will pull up relevant information. If your organization has one, explore your company's internal knowledge base within Teams channels or wiki pages where experts share how-to guides. And don't forget your colleagues. Often, a quick message to a teammate or specialist within your organization can provide the fastest solution. So, remember: search, explore, ask, and conquer. Teams has tons of resources to help you find solutions and make your work life easier. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Teams tips.